Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the "there was a problem processing your request, an error was encountered" issue on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to start by clicking the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once it opens, type in Task Manager to search for the application. When the Task Manager app appears in the search results, go ahead and click on it to open the utility. This will allow you to manage all running processes on your computer. Inside Task Manager, scroll through the list of active applications until you locate Steam. Once you find it, right-click on Steam and select End Task from the menu that appears. This will force Steam to close completely, which often resolves various errors by clearing temporary glitches. After ending the task, Steam will automatically relaunch itself. Just give it a few seconds to fully load back up before proceeding to the next step. Once Steam reopens, look to the upper left corner of the window and click on Steam. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This is where you can adjust various configurations that might be causing the issue you're experiencing. In the Settings window, navigate to the left panel and click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles downloading and caching content. Now, scroll down through the options until you find Clear Download Cache. Right beside this option, you'll see a button labeled Clear Cache. Click on it to proceed. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify this action. Click Confirm to clear the cache. This step removes potentially corrupted temporary files that Steam stores during downloads, which can often cause processing errors. Next, still in the Settings menu, click on In-Game from the left sidebar. This section manages how Steam's overlay and browser function during gameplay. Scroll down until you locate the option that says Delete Web Browser Data. Right beside this, you'll see a Delete button. Click it to proceed. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. Click Confirm to delete the data. This action clears cached website data that Steam stores internally, which can sometimes interfere with the Steam Store and community features. Additionally, make sure to turn off or disable your VPN if you're using one, as VPNs can sometimes interfere with Steam's connection. In the bottom right corner of your screen, click on Show Hidden Icons to reveal all background applications. Look for your VPN icon, right-click on it, and disable it if you have one running. Also, double-check that your Steam Guard is enabled, as this security feature is sometimes required for certain transactions and actions on Steam. If you followed all these steps and the error still persists, try using a web browser instead. If the error occurs in the Steam client when accessing the store, market, or inventory, try performing the same action through the Steam website. Open your web browser and go to store.steampowered.com. Log in with your credentials and try completing the action that was giving you the error. Sometimes the web version works when the client doesn't, allowing you to bypass the issue entirely. And that's it. You've now addressed all the common causes of this Steam error. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.